Guys, chill. Your device is okay, this is just me messing up. Hello everyone, this is your lab assistant Mr. Stupid. Since every lab needs assistant, this one needs two. Without me you all will speed up to 2x or skip the video. So I'm going to engage two of your senses, eyes and ears, to drag more of your attention to the video and hope it works. So in today's video we are going to do a project which is easy to do in this lockdown period. We are going to make a pen stand. No, not a regular one, this is different
क्योंकि मेरा वाला अलग है.
So let's get started. All we need for today's project is one pencil, one eraser and one empty jar of my favorite brown sugar. If you guessed that right, tell me in the comment section below. Step 1. Sketching. At first, I have to sketch my favorite character from the DC universe, the Batman of course. Now completing my pencil sketch, and zooming out to give you a feeling of focusing out, and giving you a chance of drinking water in between the transition. Look how caring I am? Question mark.
ए मामा इसको नहीं बोलना था.
Okay. Have you ever found that in any other videos? No, for sure. Step 2. Coloring. I used this CD marker to draw the outline only because it has a fine tip. This marquee marker from Cello is a gift from a good friend of mine. I used to color the inner part of my sketch with its curved tip as it covers a large area. Do finishing using the CD marker. This is a trick which I came across when I was frustrated of using a marker for detailing on a plastic surface, as it can't be done using a marker itself. It won't stick and it cleans itself if we try again. So I came up with an idea and tried to detail it with a sharp pencil. And it just worked fine for me. If you are watching this video in 2x, let the force be with you.
अब ये पहली फरसात से निकल बोलेगा 2 views नहीं मिलेंगे ना.
The actual image contains so much detailing work. So instead of wasting my time on fine art, I drew the whole image. Giving contrast to the sketch. In this step we will cover the outer part with some paper. Basically, used once. And seal it with the tape. I used paper tape here for easy use, which is again a gift from a friend whose name I won't tell. To do is to apply contrast to the final image by giving it a white background, and we're going to use spray paint for the inner part of the jar, and the final product looks like this. Thanks for watching the whole video. Now share it with your friends and families and tell me the name of brown sugar in the comment section.
साला स्क्रिप्ट लिख लिख के हालत खराब हो गई. ओ चाचा इसको भी रिकॉर्ड कर दिए क्या?
Sorry bro.
कोई नहीं, फिर एडिटिंग में काट देना.
Okay. Jessa op bolo.